name is Terry Pay. I'm a chemist. I started with the company 17 years ago in the research lab. And as you can see today, I've been here a very long time. And over the course of my career here, I have grown into an executive role as the Senior Vice President of Product Development. We make chemistries and we test them to its limits. So as we go and tour the facility, whether it's our wet lab, our destructive testing lab, or the spray booth, really, in a nutshell, we make things and break things all day long.
Polyurea chemistry is one of the premier protective coatings, and many people associate it with spray-on bed liner, where it's used in the automotive sector quite a bit, but there are many other uses for that in marine applications, in defense applications, in construction, in energy, and in other industrial applications.
I think our chemistry and the experience that we've had for as long as we have and the different amounts of products that we have gives us a big advantage because we can tailor what we want. And with our lab and the ability of the product development team, if you've got something you need, we can make it. With our 5 to 7 second, gel time in our very, very fast set polyureas, our return to service time is cut down tremendously. So if you're in a working environment, we can save you a lot of time and money because we're not shutting your facility down for an extra 3 to 4 days.
We invested in a lot of square footage for innovation, new lab space, expanded lab space, and expanded capabilities, so that we can bring those innovative solutions to our customers, and we've even got room to expand. We're always looking for new chemistries that fit into new applications and meet the needs that our customers have and the new and emerging needs that the market has.
We also have the ability to do private labeling for customers who really need that partner and able to get them to market. They might have a particular strong brand or marketing opportunity that they see, but they need someone who can put together a world-class product. So whether it's our IP or their IP, we have a lot of flexibility in the way we're willing to approach that, and it enables them to get to the market in what suits their business model the best. There's a lot that our product can be used in, and more the different segments of the industry are finding that out and taking advantage of that, and that's going to mean strong growth for the business going forward.